Many older adults take natural vitamins daily, B12, D3, magnesium, thinking they're doing the right thing. But here's the dangerous truth. When taken at the wrong time or mixed improperly, these vitamins can quietly disrupt your sleep. You might be tossing and turning every night without realizing it's your supplement routine that's to blame. The mistake is common. The consequences? Exhaustion, brain fog, and long-term imbalance. In today's video, you'll discover the 3 most common vitamin combinations that can silently sabotage your sleep, and why most seniors never suspect them. Dr. William Hart will explain the science behind natural vitamin interactions, how timing matters, and what you can do to fix your supplement routine for deeper, more restful sleep. Hi, I'm Dr. William Hart, and this is Health Synth, where we decode real nutrition for aging minds and bodies. If you're over 60 and tired of confusing supplement advice, hit subscribe now. Each week, we uncover what really works, starting with your vitamins. As we age, our bodies become more sensitive to even minor chemical shifts, especially in the nervous and endocrine systems. Natural vitamins, while beneficial, can interact in ways that either support or sabotage sleep, depending on how and when they're taken. Let's start with vitamin B12, a powerful nutrient essential for energy metabolism and nerve health. But here's the catch: B12 is stimulating. Taking it too late in the day, or combining it with other activating B-complex vitamins like B6, can disrupt your sleep cycle, elevating alertness when your body should be winding down. That's why B vitamins are often used in energy boost formulas, not bedtime routines. Next is vitamin D3, which plays a critical role in hormone regulation. While necessary for immune function and bone health, D3 also influences melatonin, the hormone that governs sleep. Studies show that taking D3 late in the day can suppress melatonin production, throwing off your circadian rhythm and delaying sleep onset, especially in people over 60, whose melatonin is already declining. And then there's magnesium, a popular mineral for relaxation. But not all forms are equal. Magnesium citrate, for instance, can have a laxative effect and may stimulate the digestive system. Magnesium glycinate, on the other hand, is calming and more sleep supportive. Many seniors take magnesium without knowing the type or proper dosage, leading to opposite results than intended. Even natural sources, like walnuts, rich in melatonin, or bananas high in B6, can interfere with sleep if eaten at the wrong time or combined poorly with supplements. The science is clear. It's not just what you take, but how you combine and time it that determines whether your vitamins will help or hurt your sleep. Up next, we'll explore the most common combinations that sabotage rest, and how to avoid them. Vitamin B12 and B6 are often hailed as essentials for nerve health, energy production, and cognitive support, especially for adults over 60, where deficiencies are common. But few people realize these 2 natural vitamins, when taken improperly, can have a stimulatory effect on the brain that disrupts sleep. Let's start with vitamin B12. Its primary role is to support red blood cell formation, DNA synthesis, and proper neurological function. However, B12 also acts on the central nervous system, increasing alertness, improving focus, and stimulating the release of certain neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine. That's great, if taken in the morning. Unfortunately, many seniors unknowingly take B12 supplements in the evening, especially when bundled in multivitamins or daily packs, taken with dinner. This may delay the body's ability to wind down, making it harder to fall asleep, particularly if melatonin levels are already declining due to age. Now enter vitamin B6, pyridoxine, another commonly included nutrient in B-complex formulas. It plays a critical role in neurotransmitter synthesis, including serotonin and GABA, both vital for mood and sleep regulation. But B6 doesn't always calm the brain. In moderate to high doses, especially at night, it can increase vivid dreams, restlessness, and in some cases, nighttime anxiety. The worst-case scenario? A senior takes a multivitamin or B-complex capsule before bed, thinking it will replenish the body overnight, only to find themselves wide awake at 2 a.m., unable to settle. So what's the fix? Timing, Always take B12 and B6 in the morning or early afternoon, ideally with food. Source: get natural B12 from eggs, salmon, sardines, or fortified cereals. For B6, bananas, turkey, and sunflower seeds are great options. Avoid evening intake. Skip B-complex supplements after 4 p.m., unless specifically formulated for night use, rare. For seniors, the goal is not just to take the right vitamins, but to take them at the right time. And with B12 and B6, timing makes all the difference between energy and insomnia. Vitamin D3 and magnesium are often paired together in supplements aimed at improving bone health and immunity. But while both are critical for healthy aging, they also have powerful effects on sleep hormones and nervous system balance, making timing and formulation extremely important, especially for those over 60. Let's begin with vitamin D3. Known for its role in calcium absorption and immune defense, D3 also affects the body's endocrine system, particularly the pineal gland, where melatonin, the sleep hormone, is produced. Research shows that taking D3 late in the day can suppress melatonin release, especially in older adults whose natural melatonin levels are already declining with age. This leads to difficulty falling asleep and a disrupted circadian rhythm, even if you're getting the right dose. Many seniors take vitamin D3 with dinner or even before bed, believing it helps with overnight repair. But this well-meaning habit can backfire, trading stronger bones for restless nights. Now consider magnesium, a mineral involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions, including those that regulate muscle relaxation, nerve function, and mood. While it's often marketed as a sleep aid, not all forms of magnesium behave the same. Magnesium citrate is commonly used for constipation and may actually stimulate bowel activity, leading to late-night discomfort. Magnesium oxide has poor absorption and minimal calming effect. Magnesium glycinate and magnesium threonate are the preferred forms for sleep support, easily absorbed, gentle on digestion, and calming to the nervous system. Another issue? Many seniors unknowingly take D3 and magnesium in a combined tablet, without realizing the mismatch in timing. The D3 component may block sleep signals, while the magnesium form may not even be bioavailable. Solutions: take vitamin D3 in the morning, ideally with a fat-containing meal for absorption. Take magnesium glycinate 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. Avoid catch-all supplements with poorly matched ingredients. By separating D3 and magnesium, and choosing the right forms, seniors can maximize benefits without sabotaging their sleep, a simple shift with powerful results. Melatonin is often seen as the sleep vitamin, but in reality it's a hormone, one that's naturally produced by the brain to regulate circadian rhythm. And while many seniors try to boost melatonin levels through supplements or melatonin-rich foods, they may accidentally block its effects by combining it with the wrong vitamins. Let's start with natural sources of melatonin. Foods like tart cherries, walnuts, almonds, oats, and bananas contain either melatonin itself or nutrients that support its production, such as tryptophan, magnesium, and B6. Consuming these in the evening can help the body wind down and prepare for rest. But here's where things go wrong. Certain vitamins, when taken alongside melatonin-enhancing foods, can completely cancel out their effect. For example, vitamin B12, if taken in the evening, can stimulate the central nervous system and override melatonin signals, keeping the brain in day mode. Vitamin C in high doses can increase cortisol levels slightly, which may interfere with melatonin production when taken too close to bedtime. Iron supplements, though essential for energy metabolism, may also interfere with melatonin if consumed with dinner or at night. Even more subtle interactions can occur when seniors unknowingly stack their supplements, such as taking a multivitamin with dinner, a magnesium drink at 8 p.m., and melatonin-rich walnuts before bed. What seems like a healthy evening routine can turn into a chemical tug-of-war in the brain. So how should seniors optimize natural melatonin? Evening foods: focus on a light dinner including tryptophan and melatonin-rich foods, oats, turkey, bananas, walnuts, and kiwi. No stimulants. Avoid B-complex vitamins, caffeine, or sugary fruit juices after 4 p.m. Space out vitamins. Take energy-supporting vitamins, B12, D3, iron, in the morning, sleep-supportive minerals, magnesium glycinate, at night. Melatonin doesn't need to come in AP. Knowing which natural vitamins to take, and when, is just the beginning. To truly support deep, restorative sleep, you need to integrate that knowledge into your daily meal plan and supplement routine. For seniors, especially those over 60, this becomes even more critical as the body's circadian rhythms and nutrient absorption become more fragile with age. Here is a sample day designed specifically to optimize vitamin absorption and enhance sleep quality without risky overlaps. Morning, 7 to 9 a.m. Meal: scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado, slice of whole grain toast. Supplements: vitamin D3, taken with healthy fat for absorption. Vitamin B12 or B-complex. Why morning is ideal for D3 and B12. Both promote energy and hormone balance without disturbing nighttime melatonin. Midday, 12 to 1:30 p.m. Meal: grilled salmon salad with mixed greens, pumpkin seeds, olive oil dressing. Supplements: optional omega-3 or CoQ10, if needed. Why keeps energy stable, supports heart and brain function. Avoid stacking stimulants in the evening. Dinner, 5:30 to 7 p.m. Meal: baked turkey breast, steamed broccoli, mashed sweet potatoes. Foods to include: try natural melatonin enhancers such as tart cherry juice, kiwi, or 1 to 2 Brazil nuts. Avoid any B-complex, vitamin D, or iron at this time. Why light, sleep-supportive dinner. No stimulant vitamins or high-sugar fruits that can spike cortisol. Bedtime routine, 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. Optionally include a magnesium glycinate supplement, a banana or small handful of walnuts. Wind down tip: dim the lights, avoid screens, and skip any nightcap supplements unless formulated for sleep. Avoid multivitamins at night. Many contain hidden B vitamins that activate the brain. By following this daily structure and spacing out your vitamin intake, you allow your body to fully utilize each nutrient while keeping your sleep-wake cycle in balance. The result: sharper mornings and deeper, uninterrupted sleep at night, all powered by food-first nutrition and smarter timing. I've seen countless seniors struggle with poor sleep, trying everything from pills to meditation, and never realizing their vitamin routine was the problem. The truth is, natural vitamins are powerful tools, but only when used correctly. My advice? Rethink the timing. Separate stimulating nutrients like B12 and D3 from your evening routine. Focus on real food sources and gentle sleep-supportive minerals. It's not about taking more, it's about taking smart. Respect your body's rhythm, and it will reward you with clarity, calm, and true rest. If this video helped you rethink your nighttime routine, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone over 60 who struggles with sleep. Don't forget to subscribe to Health Synth for weekly insights on how natural vitamins affect aging health. Have you been mixing your vitamins without realizing it? Drop a comment below, I read everyone. And stay tuned, our next video reveals the top 5 vitamins that actually support deep sleep, naturally.